You can address somebody using hucht, meaning to you in an informal setting addressed to one person. Or you can use gaibh, which also means to you, but used in a formal setting or speaking to a group of people. Agus inis, féach seo, try this. Matin vagucht. Fisker magaibh. You don't want to sound like this. Matin vagucht, fisker magaibh. Make sure you smile. Sound like you mean it by putting emphasis on ma or va. Practice your ga, go, gu sound. Use an audible pre-aspiration in gucht and give gaibh a little stretch. Don't emphasize a pronoun unless it is written with emphasis. Exaggerate sounds for a while until the habit sticks. They will soften anyway once you speak faster. Now try again. Féach ríiste. Matin vagucht. Fisker magaibh.